If you've ever had an engine warning light appear while you're miles from home, you'll know that sinking feeling. Is it something serious? Can you keep driving, or are you about to spend hundreds of pounds at a garage just to find out what's wrong? Well, today we're looking at the Kingbolen Ediag Link, a compact Bluetooth OBD2 diagnostic tool that could save you both money and time. We've reviewed quite a few of these, but what really caught my attention isn't just the diagnostics, it's the flexible subscription model, which is quite different from most of the diagnostic tools on the market and suits hobbyists and enthusiasts much more, which is great to see. So let's take a closer look. Welcome back to Explore Van UK. If you're new here, we cover motorhomes, campervans, touring and the gear that makes life on the road easier. The Ediag Link plugs directly into your vehicle's OBD2 port and connects to your phone via Bluetooth. This tool offers full system diagnostics, live data monitoring, service reset functions, active tests on supported vehicles, and it has a wide vehicle coverage. It's all done through your smartphone, so there's no need to carry an extra device around with you. At under £40, it's a gadget that can easily save you hundreds, plus take the stress out of a difficult situation. You can check out the links in the video description for the latest discounts and offers. At that price, it's a bit of a no-brainer to carry in your glove box. For motorhome and campervan owners, that's particularly valuable because modern vans are packed with electronics and the last thing you want is a fault code turning your holiday into a nightmare. One of the frustrations with many professional diagnostics tools is that you often pay a substantial amount up front and then get locked into an annual subscription, whether you're using the tool or not. For many motorhome owners, that's really difficult to justify if you only need advanced diagnostics when a fault arises. That's where the Ediag Link takes a different approach. It comes with a year's full subscription for all the features, like most diagnostic tools do. But instead of forcing you into a long-term commitment, you can keep the basic diagnostics and then activate additional functions when you actually need them. So, if you're preparing for a European tour, investigating a fault or carrying out maintenance, you can access the features you need for a month without paying for a full year of software that you rarely use. Remember, your first year's subscription of full access is included, but you can then add a month of full functionality when you need it for just $7.99. That's around £6. And even without a subscription, the Ediag Link can still offer a lot of value, reading and clearing all standard OBD2 codes and giving access to the fault code library for what they mean. For occasional users, that flexibility makes a lot of sense, giving you the power of a professional tool without the long-term commitment. Let's say you're about to head off on a 3-week trip across Europe, a warning light appears a few days before departure. Rather than booking into a garage and waiting for an appointment, you can plug the Ediag Link in, check the fault codes, live data, and get a much clearer idea of what's happening. That information alone can help you decide whether it's something urgent or something that can wait until you're back home. Here we're checking out the fault codes on Isuzu D-Max. We've sped up the health check process a little, but as you can see, we have a fault code on one of the oxygen sensors. This gives us the chance to check the wiring. We see the connector is a bit loose, so we can clean it, put it back on, and then clear the fault code and carry on with our trip. We also noticed a fault code on the keyless system, so we checked that too and can see it's just a warning for a low battery in the key, so we can make plans to replace that as soon as possible. One of the other premium features of the Ediag Link is the bi-directional control. This lets us actually trigger items on the vehicle to help investigate a fault. Here, for example, we can trigger the 4x4 system. This would help us identify faults are electrical or mechanical. And to show it working on another vehicle, here on a Fiat Panda, can activate the various lighting components remotely, which would help us track down if any issue is with the software, wiring, or the lights themselves. We can do the same for pretty much any electrical component in the car, including the power windows. That's in addition to the factory level diagnostics across all systems on the vehicle. And that's not all. We've also got access to up to 10 service reset functions, though they may not all be available for every manufacturer. The biggest takeaway for me is choice. Some owners want a diagnostic tool they can use every day. Others simply want something available when a warning light appears before a trip. The Kingbolen Ediag Link sits nicely in that second category, giving you access to professional level diagnostics without feeling tied into a costly ongoing commitment. For many campervan and motorhome owners, that's exactly what they need. If you'd like to learn more, we'll leave links in the description below. Let us know in the comments, do you carry a diagnostics tool in your van, and has it ever saved a trip? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching our video, and as always, if you have any questions or feedback, please pop them in the comments below. If you find the video useful, please like, share and consider subscribing.